Ji.
कर्तव्यं दैवमान्धिकम्.
We didn't hear you, Ji. Second line. Please repeat.
उत्तिष्ठ नरसार्दूल कर्तव्यं दैवमान्धिकम्.
Super, Ji. Aluri Ji. Padmaja Ji. Padmaja Ji.
ओम नमो वेंकटेशाय।
First sloka Ji.
कौसल्या सुप्रजा रामपूर्वा संध्या प्रवर्तते। उत्तिष्ठ नरशार्दूल कर्तव्यं दैवमान्धिकम्।
Thank you, Ji. Tilaranga
ओम
Ji.
नमो वेंकटेशाय।
First sloka Vaji.
Yes, Ji. We have
Om
time.
Namo Venkateshaya. कौसल्या सुप्रजा राम पूर्व संध्या प्रवर्तते। उत्तिष्ठ नरसार्दूल कर्तव्यं दैवमाग्निकम्।
Manhikam.
माग्निकम्। ओके।
Hikam, yeah. Thank you, Ji. Sunita Ji.
ఫస్ట్ శ్లోకనే మేడం.
Second sloka Ji.
సెకండ్. उत्तिष्ठोत्तिष्ठ गोविन्द उत्तिष्ठ गरुडध्वज उत्तिष्ठ कमलाकान्त त्रैलोक्यं मङ्गलं कुरु.
Super. Thank you, Ji. Muthupriya Ji.
ओम नमो नारायणाय।
Namo
उत्तिष्ठोत्तिष्ठ गोविंद उत्तिष्ठ
Please
गरुडध्वज।
repeat, Ji. Ji, please repeat, Ji.
च उत्तिष्ठोत्तिष्ठ उत्तिष्ठ गोविंद गरुडध्वज उत्तिष्ठ कमलाकान्त त्रैलोक्यं मङ्गलं कुरु।
Exactly. Thank you, Ji. Swapna Ji.
ఓం నమో నారాయణ.
Namo Narayana.
థర్డ్ శ్లోకం. సెకండ్. उत्तिष्ठोत्तिष्ठ गोविन्द उत्तिष्ठ गरुडध्वज उत्तिष्ठ कमलाकान्त त्रैलोक्यं मङ्गलं कुरु.
There is no long vowel for Kanta Ji. Kanta. Short vowel.
ఓకే ఓకే అండి. उत्तिष्ठ कमलाकान्त त्रैलोक्यं मङ्गलं कुरु.
Super, Ji. Thank you, Ji.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Subaraman Ji.
ఓం నమో నారాయణ మేడం.
Namo Narayana. Same slokas Ji.
उत्तिष्ठोत्तिष्ठ गोविन्द उत्तिष्ठ गरुडध्वज उत्तिष्ठ कमलाकान्त त्रैलोक्यं मङ्गलं कुरु.
Super. Thank you. Tata Sumadra Ji. Are you able to recite third sloka Ji?
ఓం నమో నారాయణాయ.
Namo Narayana. Third sloka Ji, are you able to recite?
I
Can I
will
help?
try. मातः समस्त जगतां मधुकैट भारे भक्षो विहारी
Hey is
मनो
there, ma. Ma, hey is there. Mata samasta jagatam madhukaita bhare.
ओके. मातः समस्त जगतां मधुकैट भारे
Bhare.
भारे
Yeah.
वक्षो विहारिणि मनोहर दिव्यमूर्ते श्रीस्वामिनि श्रितजनप्रियदानशीले श्रीवेङ्कटेश दयिते तव सुप्रभातम्.
Only one correction, Ji. In the third line, Sri Swamini Shrita. Shrita.
श्रीस्वामिनि श्रित श्रीस्वामिनि श्रितजनप्रियदानशीले श्रीवेङ्कटेश दयिते तव सुप्रभातम्.
Thank you.
ओम नमो नारायण.
Tulya Ji, are you able to recite?
ओम नमो नारायण. मातः समस्त जगतां मधुकैटभारैः वक्षो विहारिणी मनोहर
Hey. Once again, Ji.
भारैः.
No, hey is there at the end. Bhare hey.
भारे
Hey.
हे भारे.
Yeah.
मातः समस्त जगतां मधुकैटभारैः वक्षो विहारिणी मनोहर दिव्यमूर्ते श्रीस्वामिनि श्रितजनप्रियदानशीले श्रीवेङ्कटेश दयिते तव सुप्रभातम्.
The fourth line first, word Ji.
श्रीवेङ्कटेश दयिते तव सुप्रभातम्.
Thank you, Ji. Super Ji. Honoreka Ji.
हरि ओम. मातः समस्त जगतां मधुकैटभारेः वक्षो विहारि
Magaprana Ji.
मातः समस्त जगतां मधुकैटभारेः वक्षो विहारिणि मनोहर दिव्यमूर्ते श्रीस्वामिनि श्रितजनप्रियदानशीले श्रीवेङ्कटेश दयिते तव सुप्रभातम्.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you so much. We will wait for Guruji's arrival.
ओम नमो नारायणाय, ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय, ओम नमो वेंकटेशाय.
Namaskaram, Guruji.
Namaskaram, Guruji.
Best wishes. Best
We
wishes.
have
Shyamala
completed
is there.
revision, Ji.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shyamala
he
is
was hearing.
there. We have to see two things. One is the recording aspects in YouTube and also availability in the YouTube and the PowerPoint somebody can put. PowerPoint presentation I have sent.
Yes, Ji.
Aditya and Shyamala both I have sent. So any one of them they can put.
Yes, Guruji.
They can present the first that session slide. Yeah.
Yes, Guruji.
Shyam Rama or Aditya or Akshit, who is showing the PowerPoint.
I think Aditya just confirmed that he is going to display.
He's there. Okay.
Akshit, welcome Kanna.
Namo Narayana, Guruji.
Namo Narayana. Your voice and Aditya voice both are similar.
That's true, yes.
Guruji, is it visible now?
Yeah, it is visible. We can go to the third shloka slide. It is visible.
Alluri Padmaja Ji. Sorry, Chaitanya Ji. Your mic is enabled, Ji. Please unmute it.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Called and right.
Say Namo Narayana to Guruji Ji.
Om Namo Narayana.
Your
Om Namo
name
Narayana.
also. Name also.
Chetana.
Yeah.
Chet. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Now it is showing in the screen. Om Namo Narayanaya. Mata Samasta.
Mata Samasta.
2 times, ma.
Mata Samasta. Mata
Jagat.
Samasta.
Jagatam.
Jagatam. Jagatam.
Madhukaita Bharehi.
Madhukaita Bharehi.
Bha Mahapranama. Do also Mahaprana. Madhukaita Bharehi.
Madhukaita Bharehi.
Mahaprana, you have to pronounce Madhu. Madhu, not Madhu. It is Madhu. Similarly, not Bharehi, not Ibha. Instead, you should pronounce Ibha. So, Madhukaita Bharehi.
Madhukaita Bharehi.
Bharehi. Ib plus Ka. Ka for Hasyam.
Bharehi.
Vaksho.
Vaksho. Vaksho.
Always 2 times, ma. Viharini.
Viharini. Viharini.
Manohara.
Manohara. Manohara.
Divyamurte.
Divyamurte. Divyamurte.
Shri Swamini.
Shri Swamini. Shri Swamini.
Shrita Janapriya.
Shrita Janapriya. Shrita Janapriya.
Danashile.
Danashile. Danashile.
Shri Venkatesha Dayite.
Shri Venkatesha Daite. Shri Venkatesha Daite.
Tava Suprabhatam.
Tava Suprabhatam.
Tava Suprabhatam. Bha Mahaprana. Aditya, third slide, previous slide only you can show. Tava Suprabhatam. Third, yeah, Mata Samasta, yeah. Tava Suprabhatam.
Tava Suprabhatam. Tava Suprabhatam.
Tava Suprabhatam. BHA.
Tava Suprabhatam.
Correct.
Tava Suprabhatam.
Best wishes, best wishes. You can continue to show the same slide, Kanna. I think it is fourth, third, 3 plus 1, fifth one, yeah. Third shloka, yeah, same one. Where the cursor is there, same thing you can show, yeah. Next student, ma, Rajeshwari, ma, you can call.
Yes, Ji. Alluri Padmaja Ji.
Om Namo Venkateshaya.
Om Namo Venkateshaya. Matas Tamasta Jagatam. Madhukaita Bharehi.
Matah samasta jagatam madhukaita bharehe. Matah samasta jagatam madhukaita bharehe.
Vaksho Viharini Manohara Divyamurte.
Vaksho Viharini Manohara Divyamurte. वक्षो विहारिणि मनोहर दिव्यमूर्ते
Manohar, not Mano, Mano. Once more.
वक्षो विहारिणि मनोहर दिव्यमूर्ते
Correct, yeah. Shri Swami Nishrita Jana Priyadanashile.
श्री स्वामी निश्रित जनप्रियदानशीले श्री स्वामी निश्रित जनप्रियदानशीले
Shri Venkatesha Dayite Tava Suprabhatam.
श्री वेंकटेश दयिते तव सुप्रभातम् श्री वेंकटेश दयिते तव सुप्रभातम्
Excellent, excellently recited, ma. Excellently recited. Best wishes. Next student.
ओम नमो वेंकटेश
Shilaji,
நமஸ்காரம் ஜி. ஓம் நமோ வெங்கடேசாய.
Om Namo Venkateshaya. ரெடியாம்மா? எங்க இருந்து பேசுறீங்க? from where you are telling?
என் பேர் ஸ்ரீலட்சுமி ரங்கநாதன். நான் சென்னையில இருக்கேன் சாமி.
சரி, ஓகே.
சொல்லட்டுமா?
வரேன்.
வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க.
மாத சமஸ்த ஜகதாம் மதுகைட பாரீகே வக்ஷோ விகாரிணி மனோகர திவ்யமூர்த்தே ஸ்ரீ ஸ்வாமி நிஸ்ரித ஜனப்ரியதானசீலே ஸ்ரீ வெங்கடேஷ தயிதே தவ சுப்ரபாதம். படிங்கம்மா.
மாதஸ் சமஸ்த ஜகதாம் மதுகைட
மாதஸ் இல்ல, it should be மாதஸ். தாப்பர் தமிழ்நாடு.
மாதஸ் மாதஸ் சமஸ்த ஜகதாம் மதுகைட பாரேஹே
மது கைட்ட பாரேகே. மாப்ராணா
ஓகே.
மது மதுசூதனக விஷ்ணு சகஸ்ரநாமத்துக்கு சொல்றோம் இல்லையா? மதுசூதனக. அதே போல பார பிருத் கடிதோ பார பிருத் பார. அதான் இங்க வந்து மது கைட்ட பாரேகே.
ஓகே.
மகாபிராணா. பாரதம் பாரதம் பாக்யவான். யா.
ஓகே. மாதஸ் சமஸ்த ஜகதாம் மதுகைட பாரேஹே வக்ஷோ விஹாரிணி மனோகர திவ்யமூர்த்தே ஸ்ரீ ஸ்வாமினி ஸ்ரித ஜனப்ரியதான சீலே
தானசீலே.
தானசீலே
ஷீலே. ஷீ and not she.
ஷீலே
சொல்றோம் இல்லையா? அது
ஓகே. ஷீலே ஸ்ரீ வெங்கடேஷ தயிதே.
ஸ்ரீ வெங்கடேஷ. ஸ்ரீ வெங்கடேஷ தயிதே.
ஸ்ரீ வெங்கடேஷ தயிதே தவ சுப்ரபாதம் பாதம்
பாதம். அதே போல வெங்கடேஷ இல்ல, வெங்கடேஷ. ஈஸ்வரா, ஈஷா.
ஓகே.
வெங்கட ஈஷா. ஈஷா. ஷாபார் சாந்தி. சாபார் சாய்பாபா கிடையாது. சாபார் சாவித்ரி கிடையாது. ஷாபார் சாண்டில்யன் சாந்தி. ஸ்ரீ வெங்கடேஷ. ஷாபார் சக்தி. சக்தி சரணம் சரீரம்.
ஓகே.
பெஸ்ட் விஷஸ்மா. நெக்ஸ்ட்.
Thank you.
இன்னொரு வாட்டி படிக்கணும்னா படிங்கம்மா. நோ ப்ராப்ளம். படிங்க. குயிக்கா
படிக்கட்டுமா? மாதஸ் சமஸ்த ஜகதாம் மதுகைட பாரேஹே வக்ஷோ விஹாரிணி மனோகர திவ்யமூர்த்தே ஸ்ரீ ஸ்வாமி ஸ்ரித ஜனப்ரியதானசீலே ஸ்ரீ வெங்கடேஷ தயிதே தவ சுப்ரபாதம்.
அதான் மகாபிராணா கொஞ்சம் மிஸ் ஆகுது. அதே போல தான சீலேவுக்கு பதிலா வெங்கடேஷ மாதிரி ஷீலே சொல்லணும். Shigram. Best wishes, ma. We will move on to the next shloka, fourth shloka. Next slide போட்டுருக்கேன். Next only. I think it is going on running, ma. PowerPoint is என்னமோ ரொம்ப போறது வேகம். fourth shloka.
Ada Guruji, we are checking on some.
Parallel. Okay.
Sunita ji,
We
please.
will go to the fourth shloka, please, ma.
Om Namo Venkateshaya Guruji.
Om Namo
Sunita?
Venkateshaya. Ready, amma? Tava suprabhata.
Tava Suprabhata. Tava Suprabhata.
Maravinda lochani.
Maravinda Lochane. Maravinda Lochane.
Tava suprabhata maravinda lochani.
Tava Suprabhata Maravinda Lochane.
Supra கிடையாதுமா, சூப்பர். சூப்பர் இதுதான் சுப்பிரமணியம்.
Tava Suprabhata
No,
Maravinda.
super Subramaniam, not Subramaniam. Subramaniam, Su. Sumaitangi, Su. Yeah.
Tava Suprabhata Maravinda Lochane.
Excellent. Yeah. Bhavatu prasanna.
Bhavatu prasanna. Bhavatu prasanna.
Mukha.
Mukha. Mukha.
Chandramandale.
Chandramandale. Chandramandale.
Vidhi Shankarendra.
Vidhi Shankarendra. Vidhi Shankarendra.
Vanita Bhirakshite.
Vanita Bhirarchite. Vanita Bhirarchite.
Vanita Bhirakshite. Seti solano. Appada Mahaprana vagum. Then only Mahaprana will come. We have to tell Vanita Bhirakshite. So together. Vanita Bhirakshite.
Vanita Bhirarchite. Vanita Bhirarchite.
Excellent. Vrisha Shailanatha Dayite.
Vrusha Shailanatha Dayite. Vrusha Shailanatha Dayite.
Here one point I want to tell everybody. Here it is that first letter is Vr, like Krishna Kr. It is Vr, Vriddambigai, Vriddachalam. So we should not say as Vru, Vru, Vrisha, no, Vrisha, like Kr in Krishna, Kr in Kritika, Vr in Vrinda, Vr in Vrindavan, Vr in Vriddambikai, Vr in Vriddachalam. Like that we should pronounce that word Vr. Vrisha Shailanatha Dayite.
Vrusha Shailanatha Dayite. Vrusha Shailanatha Dayite.
Dayanidhe.
Dayanidhe. Dayanidhe.
Yeah, De Mahaprana, of course you have told. Very nice. That Vri only you have to come the fine tuning. It is neither Vri nor Vru, it is in between Vri. So that you can practice, ma. In Vishnu Sahasranama also, Vrishabho, Vriddhatma. So many places it has come. Best wishes, ma. Thank you. Next student.
Muthupriya ji, please.
Om Namo Narayana.
Om Namo Narayana. Yeah. Tava Suprabhata Maravinda Lochani.
Muthupriya ji.
I'm unmuted, ji.
Yeah. Tava Suprabhata Maravinda Lochani.
Tava Suprabhata Maravinda Lochane. Tava Suprabhata Maravinda Lochane.
Bhavatu Prasanna Mukha Chandra Mandali.
Bhavatu Prasanna Mukha Chandra Mandale. Bhavatu Prasanna Mukha Chandra Mandale.
Vidhi Shankarendra Vanita Bhirarchite.
Vidhi Shankarendra Vanita Bhirarchite. विधिशङ्करेन्द्रवनिताभिरर्चिते
वृषशैलनाथ दयिते दयानिधे
वृषशैलनाथ दयिते दयानिधे वृषशैलनाथ दयिते दयानिधे.
Very nicely recited, ma. You are reciting from which place?
Chennai, sir.
Chennai where?
Tamaram.
Excellent, excellently recited, ma. Best wishes to you. Your name?
Thank you, sir. Muthupriya, sir.
Muthupriya. Best wishes, ma. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. We can have the third iteration, ma.
Yes, Guruji. Swapna ji. Swapna ji.
Are you there, ma?
Om Namo Venkateshaya.
Om Namo Venkateshaya, ma. Tava suprabhatamaravinda-lochane bhavatu prasanna-mukha chandra-mandale vidhi-shankarendra-vanita-bhirarchite vrisha-shailanatha dayite dayanidhe.
तव सुप्रभातमरविन्दलोचने भवतु प्रसन्नमुखचन्द्रमण्डले विधिशङ्करेन्द्रवनिताभिरर्चिते वृषशैलनाथ दयिते दयानिधे.
Once more.
तव सुप्रभातमरविन्दलोचने भवतु प्रसन्नमुखचन्द्रमण्डले विधिशङ्करेन्द्रवनिताभिरर्चिते वृषशैलनाथ दयिते दयानिधे.
Excellently recited, ma. You are from where?
Anantapur, sir. Andhra Pradesh.
Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. It is in, now it is different district. Earlier it was with Chittoor, Tirupati. Is it not? Very nice, very nice.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Best wishes, ma. Best wishes. We will move on quickly to the next sloka. Then we will see the meaning. Yeah.
Bhanu Rekha ji, please.
Om Namo Narayana.
Best wishes, man. Best wishes. Fifth sloka. Atriyadi.
Atriyadi. Atriyadi.
PowerPoint, you can take it to the next slide, Kanna. Fifth sloka. Atriyadi.
Atriyadi. Atriyadi.
Saptarishayas.
Saptarishayas. Saptarishayas.
Samupasya.
Samupasya. Samupasya.
Sandhyam.
Sandhyam. Sandhyam.
Akasha Sindhu.
Akasha Sindhu. Akasha Sindhu.
Kamalani. Kamalani Manoharani.
Kamalani Manoharani. Kamalani Manoharani.
Excellent, ma. Excellently you have recited, and for all other devotees here, we have to note down Kamalani. Kamalani, the ni is one, and Manoharani, there it comes a Rani ni. So that we have to carefully note down. The first one N, simple N. Second one N, it is having a dot below it in English. So Kamalani Manoharani.
Kamalani Manoharani. Kamalani Manoharani.
Adhaya Padayugam.
Adaya Padayuga. Adaya Padayuga.
Marchayitum Prapannaha.
Marchayitum Prapannaha. Marchayitum Prapannaha.
Sheshadrishekha.
Sheshadrishekara. Sheshadrishekara. Sheshadrishekara.
Vibho.
विभो विभो
शेषाद्रिशेखर विभो
शेषाद्रिशेखर विभो शेषाद्रिशेखर विभो
तव सुप्रभातम्
तव सुप्रभातम् तव सुप्रभातम्
best wishes ma. Next student.
Subhaji, Subaramanji. Please unmute.
Om Namo Narayana Guruji.
Om Namo Narayana. Atriyadi saptarishayas samupasya sandhyam.
Atyadi saptarushayas samupasya sandhyam.
That Rushayas, you correct it as Rishayas, not a Rishayas, not a Rushayas. It is in between like Krishna, Vrinda, Vrindabigai. R dot we have given. It is in between. Yeah.
Atyadi saptarishayas samupasya sandhyam.
Now it has come correctly. Yeah. Akasha Sindhu Kamalani Manoharani.
Akasha Sindhu Kamalani Manoharani. Akasha Sindhu Kamalani Manoharani.
The last Manoharani will be, you have to fold back the tongue. Whereas Kamalani ni will be from the tip of the tongue. But the second one will be Manoharani.
Okay,
Raja Rani.
Yeah. Akasha Sindhu Kamalani Manoharani.
No, you have to fold back the tongue. Both the knee is listened same, but it is not same. Last time I told Kamalani, Manoharani, no, Manoharani. Raja Rani, Manoharani.
Manoharani.
You have to fold back the tongue. So, Adaya Padayugamarchayitum Prapannaha.
Adaya Padayugamarchayitum Prapannaha. Adaya Padayugamarchayitum Prapannaha.
Sheshadrishekhara Vibho Tava Suprabhatam.
Sheshadrishekhara Vibho Tava Suprabhatam.
Suprabhatam. Suprabhatam. That Bha will be Bharatam. Bharat. Bharat. Suprabhatam.
Suprabhatam. Sheshadrishekhara Vibho.
Shekhar Ka is Mahaprana Kanna. Ka is Mahaprana. Shekhara. Together. Shekhara. Shekhara Vibho Tava Suprabhatam.
Sheshadrishekhara Vibho Tava Suprabhatam.
Best wishes, best wishes. Very nicely you have recited. Third student.
Tulya Sarvajana.
Om Namo Venkatesha.
Best
Tulya Sarvajana.
Atyadi saptarishayas samupasya sandhyam. Akasha Sindhu Kamalani Manoharani. Adaya Padayugamarchayitum Prapannaha. Sheshadrishekhara Vibho Tava Suprabhatam.
Atyadi saptarishayas samupasya sandhyam. Akasha Sindhu Kamalani Manoharani. Adaya Padayugamarchayitum Prapannaha. Sheshadrishekhara Vibho Tava Suprabhatam.
Your good name and location, ma?
Tulya Sarvajna, sir, and I'm from Vizag, Andhra Pradesh.
Excellent. Continue, ma.
Atyadi saptarushayas samupasya sandhyam. Akasha Sindhu Kamalani Manoharani. Adaya Padayugamarchayitum Prapannaha. शेषाद्रिशेखर विभो तव सुप्रभातम्.
Yeah, best wishes, ma. Best wishes to you. So today we will quickly see the meaning of third shloka. Mata samasta jagata madhukaita dvarehi baksho viharini manohara divya mukti Shri Swamini Shrita Jana Priyadana Shile Shri Venkatesha Dayite Tava Suprabhata. That is in the first slokam, the Lord of Tiruvenkatam is awakened as Shri Ramachandra Mukti Kausalya Supraja, we have seen last time. And in the second slokam as Govindan. Now in the third and the fourth slokams, we are going to awake his consort, the Divine Mother, Shri Mahalakshmi. That is the slokam. Mata means Mata, Lakshmi Mata. So, O Mother Lakshmi, Mata Samasta Jagatam, O Mother Lakshmi, Goddess of riches, O Mother of all the worlds, Samasta Jagatam, Madhu Kaita Bharehe, O the destroyer of the demons Madhu and Kaitaba, Manohara Divya Mukti, O the Mother who is the most beautiful Manohara Divya Mukti, most beautiful one, Baksho Viharini, having in the, that is you are residing in the chest region of Mahavishnu, Bakshastalam. We have seen in Vishnu Sahasranamam also, Baksho. That is residing within the heart of Sri Govindan in the entire creation. That is, O Mahalakshmi, you reside in the heart of Sri Mahavishnu, Baksho Viharini, Sri Swamini. That is, O consort of Mahalakshmi, you charms him with your divine Saundaryam, Sri Swamini. You charm Bhagavan with your divine Saundaryam, O Sri Devi, Mahalakshmi. You are the dearest one to your Lord, Sri Swamini. Not only Lord, but also to the devotees, Srita Jana Priyadana Shile. That is, oh, you are the most generous one. Because of that, you captures the attention of the mind of the devotees. Jana, you are the Janapriya. You are the most generous one. You have the natural disposition to grant the wishes of those who seek them from you. O Mahalakshmi, bestower of all benefits to those who fall at your feet. That's why we have in Kurai Ondrumillai, Yadum Marukada Malayappa, Nin Marbil Yedum Taranirkum Karunai Kadaganai. Endum Irindida Yedu Kurai, Yenaku, Ondrum Kurayillai, Marimurti Kanna. The same sentiments are reflected here. She is the most generous one, Shrita Jana Priya Dana Shile. Shri Venkatesha Dayite. Such is your glory, Mahalakshmi. This beautiful dawn of your creation is being cherished by Sri Venkatesha himself. You are the dear and better half of the Lord Venkateshwara, Sri Venkatesha Dayite, Tava Suprabhadam. You also wake up in this auspicious dawn. We offer the morning pranams to you in this auspicious dawn. So, O Mahalakshmi, Mother of the worlds and the destroyer of the demons Madhu and Kaitaba, may we always behold your beauty in the chest of the Vishnu, the heart of Govinda, beloved consort of the Lord. You enchant him with your divine splendor. O Sri Devi, you are the dearest to him. And you endlessly generous. You are endlessly generous. You are always fulfilling the desires of the devotees who seek refuge in you. And we humbly offer our morning salutations to you and the Bhagavan Govinda Venkatesha. So may this dawn bring the blessings to all. Namaha to Govinda, Namaha to you, Namaha to Padmavati Tayar. This is the prayer. This is the prayer to Srimati Padmavati Tayar. It is similar to Andal's prayer in the 20th verse Tirupavai. Nappinai Nangai Tiruve Tuyil Yadai. So it resembles with that. So for the fourth sloka, Tavasupra Bhata Maravinda Lochane, Bhavatu Prasanna Mukha Chandra Mandale, Vidhi Shankarendra Vanita Bhirakchite, Vrisha Shaila Natha Dayite, Dayanide. So here it is Tava, your Suprabhata, the morning salutation or greeting, Aravinda Lochane. Aravindaksha, we have the Nama in Vishnu Sahasranama. So Aravindaksha, Aravinda Lochana, that is a lotus-eyed. Bhavatu, you are having it. And Prasannam, Prasanna Vadanam, Shuklam Bharatram Vishnum Shashivarnam, Chaturbhujam, Prasanna Vadanam we have seen. Prasanna, calm, pleasant, beautiful. Mukha. In Vishnu Sahasranam we have the Nama Sumukha. Sumukha Sundara Sundo Sumukha. Mukha means space. So, and Chandra Mandale, it is the moon-like. And Vidhi, Vidhi means the creator Brahma. Shankha means the destroyer Shiva. Indra means the king of gods, all the devatas. Vanita Bhihi, their consorts, the women, their consorts, that is the consorts associated with the Brahma, Shiva and the kings of God, Indra. Archite. Stuvantah kam archantap. Kam archantap. We have seen in Vishnu Sahasranam. Archantap means it is worshipping. So archite means archane we say. Normally we say archite, archane all. So it is worshipping, worshipped. Vrisha Shaila Natha. Vrisha Shailam. Shailam means hill. So he is the Nathan, Lord of the Vrisha Shaila hill. That is the hill of the Nandi or the Sheshadri hill. Vrisha. He is the Lord of the hill Nandi. Nandi means Vrisham, Vrishapam. So Vrisha Shaila Natha, the Lord of the Vrisha Shailam. Because Vrishadri, Venkatadri, Narayana, so many 7 hills are there that we are going to see later in 20th sloka. Out of which one is Vrishadri. So he is the Lord of the Vrisha Shailam. And it is referring to Lord of Vrisha Shailam is Lord Venkateshwara himself. Dayite, beloved, and Dayanite, ocean of compassion. So here also, Bhagavan, that is here also Mother Lakshmi is worshipped in this sloka, 4th sloka. O lotus-eyed one, may this morning salutation bring cheer and joy to your moon-like pleasant face. O Mahalakshmi, you are worshipped by the consorts of Brahma, Shiva, and Indra, and you are the beloved Lord, beloved to the Lord Vrisha Shaila, the Venkateshwara, and you are the ocean of compassion. Let this early morning, Pulavam Poludu, let this dawn be auspicious to you. So this verse is the beautiful invocation of Mahalakshmi, Padmavati Tayar. And in Vishnu Sahasranama we have Padmanabho Ravindaksha, that Aravinda Lochane. Vrisha Shailam is one of the 7 hills, and the other names of the 7 hills we will be describing in the 15th sloka of Sri Venkatesha Suprabhatam. And in the 5th sloka, salutations to Govinda. In this beautiful dawn, when the night is meeting the day, Tava Suprabhatam, Atriyadi Sapta Rishayas, that is the 7 rishis headed by Atri, they are all chanting the morning prayers together. Samupasya Sandhya, morning prayer. Sandhya means Sandhya Velai. Atriyadi means Atri and other. Out of the 7 rishis, Sapta Rishayaha, the 7 great sages, Samupasya, having worshipped Sandhyam, the time of dawn. Sandhya called Akasha. Akasha means Akasham, sky. Sindhu, it is the ocean, symbolic of vastness, wideness. And Kamalani, Kamala means lotus. Kamala Kanta, we have seen in the first shloka. Kamalani, lotuses. Manoharani, beautiful and enchanting. Adaya, taking or carrying. Pada Yuga, your pair of feet. Akchayitum, here also Akchayi means worshipping, to worship. Prapanna, those who have surrendered. Sheshadri, the hill named after Adishesha. Sheshadri, this is another hill. Earlier we saw Vrishadri, now Sheshadri has come. Shekhara, Shekhara. Shekhara means, in Tamil we call it as Shikharam. Shikharam comes from Shekharam. Shekharam means it is on the top. Shikharam means top only. Na? So the Lord is adorning it on the top. So, and Vibhu, the Lord, Tava Suprabhatam, you are the morning salutation or greeting. That is, this shloka describes how Atri and other great sages during the auspicious dawn, early morning, gather with the enchanting lotuses from the sky like vast lakes, Akasha, Ganga, etc. They are collecting and bringing, after completing their Sandhya Vandanam, etc., to offer their worship at the divine feet of Lord Sheshadri Shekhara, that is Bhagavan, Lord Sri Venkateshwara. This is the salutation to awaken the Lord. Oh, Lord, standing on the top of the Sheshadri hill, Venkateshwara, the group of 7 rishis headed by Atri. The seven rishis, it will vary from one Manumantra to another Manumantra. The Swayambhuva Manumantra, the first Manumantra of this current Kalpam, that is Atri, Angirasaka, Pulaka, Pulastya, Kratau, Katu, Marichi, Vasishtha. So that is minor details, but it is headed by Adri. That's why we have the Shloka Adriyadi. So, and they have all completed their Sandhya Vandanam, Sandhya worship, and has already arrived to take part in your Suprabhata Seva, the Aradhanam, morning Aradhanam. They have also brought freshly blossomed lotus flowers from the Akasha Ganga. May it be the auspicious dawn to you. That is the meaning here. So with this, we will conclude today's session. I have adorned the mala for visiting Sabarimala. Tomorrow tonight I am leaving to Sabarimala. Tomorrow I will be in the train. So tomorrow we will have only revision session. Classes will be there, but a revision will be taken for all these 5 shlokas. Wishing you all the best. Om Namo Venkateshaya. Rajeshwari ma, if you want to tell anything, you can tell and complete with the final prayer. Thank you.
Thank you, Guruji. Thank you for the wonderful recitation of the slokas and the wonderful explanations. Thank you so much, Guruji. And we will move with the ending prayer. Hima Binduji, please. And devotees, if you have any doubts, please put it in the form, query form. Guruji will explain to you, will reply to you. Hima Binduji. Ma Nalini ma neenga pandrela ending prayer.
Himapindu pannuvanga. Himapindu ma, please do the ending prayer. You can unmute from your side.
Your mic is enabled, Ji.
Yes, your mic is
Om Namo
enabled.
Venkateshaya.
Correct, good.
Namaste. Om Namo Venkateshaya.
Please proceed with the prayer. Closing
Sri
prayer.
Rama Rama Rameti रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं राम नाम वरानने श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं राम नाम वरानने श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं राम नाम वरानने श्रीराम नाम वरानन ओं नमः इति हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे सर्वं कृष्णार्पणमस्तु।
Thank you so much. With this, we are going to end the session. And thank you, Aditya ji and Shyamla ji, for